Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about consolidating the changes in life. Throughout this program, Sankalpa therapy was encouraged in order to help the subjects to consolidate the changes in their lives. This included consideration of psychological attitudes, coping mechanisms, yamas and niyamas, all of which can help people live more fully yet less stressfully. It involved talks, discussions and encounter-type situations, which enabled each participant to see where or her wrong attitudes while creating difficulties in relaxation. As this was done only at an intellectual, conscious level, the Sankalpa and Yoga Nidra then became a powerful medium for transferring the desired changes into the deeper subconscious levels of the mind. A fair degree of skill was necessary in the management of the courses in order to prevent over-obsession with the biofeedback equipment and competitiveness in gaining the right results rather than each individual naturally finding his own level. But generally it was observed that the biofeedback results only gave positive reinforcement to the idea of the need for change and the effectiveness of Yoga Nidra and the other yoga techniques.